The Electoral Commission of Zambia, ECZ, has announced its commitment to reforming electoral laws to ensure a smoother electoral process. At an orientation meeting for the newly appointed Electoral Reform Technical Committee in Lusaka, ECZ Chairperson Mwangala Zalomis highlighted the importance of tackling identified lacunas in the Constitution.
The Commission recognizes that there is need to address the gaps that have been identified. And these gaps can be gaps, omissions, even lacuna, and other electoral laws, and therefore has appointed yourselves as the Electoral Reform Technical Committee to spearhead this process.
When asked to confirm if there are lacunas in the Constitution, the ECZ chairperson had this to say.
Now, the other one, do you believe that there are lacunas? Well, these are the issues we are talking about, isn't it? There's need for clarity. There is need for consistency. There is need for alignment. I've talked about the local government. It's in the Constitution, where the Constitution prescribes the qualifications, but there's nothing for the councillor, for the council chairperson, or the mayor.
Meanwhile, Parliament resumes its debate on the presidential speech delivered on September 13th, 2024 at the fourth session of the National Assembly.
After all, some lacunas can lead us to a situation where we could have no general election for 8 years.
Speaker, the President was right when he addressed the problems that the pieces of legislation have, particularly the Constitution. The current Constitution that we have in Zambia today, otherwise addressed as the Constitution of Zambia 1991, Amendment Act number 2 of 2016, is highly defective in most of the parts. I want to explain where the lacuna is, because it appears the Law Association of Zambia, where I belong, may have missed the point. The same with State Council John Sangwa.
However, the discussion has sparked controversy. Advocates for People's Party have voiced their concerns following President Hakainde Hichilema's recent remarks.
So I don't know where the president is getting that we have a lacuna in that constitution. I don't understand. And as a party, we don't understand. Because as a legal committee, we have tried to sit with them, and then they have interpreted to us that there is no any lacuna. Especially that we have to understand that a lacuna is when a constitution is silent over the matter.
Mr. Perry's comments highlight a growing debate in the country about the need for reform versus the sufficiency of existing laws. As the ERTC begins its work, all eyes will be on how these proposed changes will impact Zambia's electoral landscape. Best, Jerry, Diamond News.